Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Last August 13, 2020, I placed an order at beautyqueentw's Shopee, and I received it on August 17, 2020. And it's securely packed with cardboard. And all of them are inside a bubble wrap. This is my third time buying at their shop. You can check my first haul on the iCard above, or you can check it out on the description box below. As always, their nail polishes are individually sealed with plastic. Now let's check out all of the shades. We have Tip Tapping by Catrice Cosmetics, and it's 189 pesos. Then we have the complete limited edition Travel Icon Nails by Catrice Cosmetics, and they are 189 pesos each. We have Soliciel de Paris, next is London Calling. Third is It's Up to You, New York. Next is Summer in Berlin. And the last nail polish from this collection is Skyscrapers in Dubai. Then I also have a Metal Shock Sealing Top Coat by Essence Cosmetics, and it's 199 pesos. Next is Sweet as Candy by Essence Cosmetics, and it's 99 pesos. This is my second bottle of this shade, by the way. Then we have the shade Make a Wish by Essence Cosmetics, and it's 48 pesos. I currently have one of the same bottle. The one I currently have is almost half empty. And lastly, we have is Crash the Party, and it's 189 pesos. This is also my second bottle of this gorgeous holographic nail polish. The one I have has the old version of the Essence Cosmetics bottle, and it's almost half empty too. I will soon post my swatch and review for the limited edition Icon Nails collection by Catrice Cosmetics. The link for beautyqueentw's Shopee is available on the description box below. And by the way, this video is not sponsored. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!